Hey Dazzlers, welcome back to my channel. As always, I hope that you are safe and doing well. In today's video, I share with you 3 simple black and gold home decor DIYs using items that were mostly from Dollar Tree. So if you're interested, then just keep watching. Before we get started, I'd like to invite you to visit my new online store from denisewithlove.com. Thanks to everyone who has visited the site, signed up to be a part of the emailing list, and made a purchase. Now on to the video. I'm starting off with this round plastic container that I picked up in the Valentine's Day section of Dollar Tree. I applied 1 coat of matte acrylic paint in the color Pure Black. I began painting my lid, but realized it made sense to cut the pieces of the lid that I needed first. I hot glued some of the lid to the bottom of my container, and then I gave the piece a second coat of the acrylic paint. Next, I'm adding some of these Dollar Tree gold foil letters to my design. I then added some of this Dollar Tree gift tissue to the bottom of my container. I then cut the top of the lid to size and hot glued it directly on top of the tissue paper. I'm spray painting 5 bunches of these Dollar Tree roses with metallic gold spray paint that I already had at home. For project number 2, I'm using some of these Dollar Tree bathroom accessories and this tissue box cover that I picked up from my local Goodwill. I'm using painter's tape to section off the very top of my dispenser and brush holder. I then began painting. First was my tissue box cover. I painted it with 2 coats of that same black acrylic paint. This paint has a matte finish, so I also applied 1 coat of gloss Mod Podge. I'm also using metallic gold paint left over from last week's project. I applied 2 coats of the gold metallic paint, and then I removed my painter's tape before my paint fully dried. I'm using some of those same rub-on transfer foil letters for this project as well. I really wanted to add the words brush and bless you to my bathroom accessories, but I could only find 1 pack of these redone inspired letters, so I used them to make words with what I had remaining. For project number 3, I'm using one of these 20 by 30 inch black satin Dollar Tree pillowcases. I flipped my pillowcase inside out, and then I used hot glue to close the opening of the pillowcase. I then folded my pillowcase in half, and then I sealed that opening with the hot glue as well. I then hot glued both sides, but I left a small opening on one of the sides to add my stuffing later. I then flipped my pillowcase back outside out, and then I used a 10-inch plate to make a circle in the center of my pillowcase. To prevent my hot glue from seeping through to the other side, I'm adding a piece of Dollar Tree poster board inside of my pillowcase. I then used hot glue to adhere Dollar Tree rose petals along the outside perimeter of my circle. From there, I simply added more layers of the rose petals, moving a bit closer to the center with each of the layers. I used the entire bag of the rose petals, and then I hot glued a acrylic button to the center. To add in a bit of gold, I'm adding a very thin layer of Mod Podge and extra fine gold glitter. I don't want my petals to stick together, so I'm lightly brushing on that mixture. I then added some inexpensive polyfill that I picked up from my local craft store. The only thing left to do was to use hot glue to seal my pillow. I think that this inexpensive pillow turned out super cute, and it's my favorite this week. But what do you guys think? Let me know down in the comments. I would love to hear from you. I hope you enjoyed this week's video. If so, please like, comment, and share. And if you're new to my channel, please subscribe and be sure to turn on your notifications so that you don't miss my next video. Remember, I upload new videos every single week. So until next time, Dazzlers, bye.